Hey DIY friends, welcome back to Tech Kingo. In today's video, we're exploring the best electric screwdriver you can find today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the A-Sky electric screwdriver. Let's get started. Product feature. The smart LCD screen keeps you updated on your tool's status at a glance, while the soft, non-slip grip ensures every project feels comfortable and secure in your hands. Dark corners are no problem thanks to 4 built-in LEDs that light up automatically, giving you the perfect view for those delicate repairs in low light spots. You get total control with a built-in magnetizer and demagnetizer, allowing you to quickly adjust the bit's magnetism to perfectly suit the specific task you're working on. 5 adjustable electric torque settings from 0.1 Newton meters to 0.52 Newton meters provide incredible precision, plus a manual mode of up to 3 Newton meters for when you need that extra bit of power. The 500 milliamp hour battery is a true workhorse, driving up to 2,000 screws on one charge, so you can focus on your creativity without worrying about the battery dying mid-project. Featuring a modern Type-C port for fast, effortless recharging and a motor that spins at a smooth 200 RPM, this tool delivers efficient performance that saves you time. With 42 durable S2 steel bits in 12 different types, including longer bits for deep screws, this compact kit is your perfect companion for fixing laptops, drones, or watches. Pros. This screwdriver is a dream for anyone who loves tinkering with delicate electronics. The precise torque control means you won't damage tiny components, and the battery life is truly impressive for its size. It feels wonderful in the hand, making long sessions much more enjoyable. Having all those high-quality bits in one tidy case makes staying organized and prepared so easy. Cons. While the 200 RPM motor is perfect for precision work and small repairs, it might feel a bit slow if you're trying to build large furniture. Also, the battery takes a little while to reach full capacity, though the Type-C charging definitely helps. It's best suited for tech-heavy tasks rather than heavy construction. Final thoughts. Imagine the satisfaction of finally fixing that broken gadget or upgrading your favorite tech with a tool that feels like it was made just for you. The A-Sky brings a sense of ease and joy back into your repair projects. It's more than just a tool. It's a reliable partner that gives you the confidence to take on new challenges and keep your cherished devices running perfectly. I hope this helps you find your next favorite workshop companion. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Tech Kingo and like this video. Thanks for hanging out with me.